Well, good evening everyone, and welcome back to Mike Bass's Weather Forecast channel. I hope everybody had a great Friday out there. I hope everybody's having a great evening as well. I hope everybody stays safe and well. Okay, in today's video we're going to talk about the 7-day rainfall totals across the lower 48. We're going to take a look at the watches, warning, advisory map, the National Weather Service radar across the lower 48, and the Storm Prediction Center for day 1 and 2. So let's see if we can figure out what's going to happen in the severe weather department by the Storm Prediction Center. Okay, I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for subscribing to it as well. If you're a new viewer, have not subscribed, love to have you on board. Subscribe to my channel, and also like these videos, share these videos, and try to get them out to as many people as possible. Okay, well, let's dive on into the forecast now. We're looking at the 7-day rainfall totals over the next 7 days. As you can see, we got heavy precipitation over the Atlantic Ocean, also portion of the northeastern United States. Also down here in the southeastern portion of the United States and portion of the mid-Atlantic region. Also, we have lighter amounts over Florida, also over in the central portion of the United States, up toward Michigan and southern Canada. We have more heavier precipitation in portion of Wisconsin, all the way back into South Canada there. Also, we have more mixed precipitation, heavy precipitation, over the western U.S. and also right along coastal areas of California, all the way up towards the Seattle, Washington vicinities. Okay, now let's take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisory map for the lower 48 here. As we take a look here, portion of the northeastern United States quiet, portion of the southeast central United States is quiet also. It's the exception of a little bit of a winter storm advisory, a few winter storm warnings from portion of New York State, portion of PA, and also down into portion of West Virginia mountains. We have winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories in the purple. We have blizzard warnings up here in the red, extending all the way from portions of Minnesota all the way back over to eastern Washington State, portion of Colorado, and also portion of the California mountains, and also over here in Oregon State. Also, we have wind advisories over here in Nevada and also Southern California, with some flooding issues over here in central and southern California. We have some high wind warning, red flag warnings over portions of Texas and New Mexico as well. Alrighty, now let's take a look at the National Weather Service Doppler radar across the lower 48. There comes moisture up here, mixed precipitation over the northeast. That's why you got that winter weather advisory, winter storm warning across New York and portion of Pennsylvania. Also around the New York vicinity and the Washington, D.C. area. We got showers and thunderstorms down here in Florida. Maybe a few severe thunderstorms, as you got a marginal risk for tonight in northern Florida. Pretty much the southeast United States and the south is quiet. More mixed precipitation over here in the upper Midwest and also over here in the southwestern portion of the United States and we're in California, where you get hammered with a lot of rainfall in your vicinity. I do see a lot of flash flooding in your region. So if you encounter flooded roadways, turn around, don't drown, and stay away from flooded areas as well. Alright, a little bit of mixed precipitation over Washington State. Alright, let's take a look at the Storm Prediction Center. We have a slight risk in the yellow, marginal risk in the darker green, lighter green is general thunderstorm. Surrounding that, we have general thunderstorms over here in the southwest, over here in California, and also portions of Nevada, Utah, Colorado, New Mexico, and also Arizona. Alright, if you're in the marginal risk area, this includes Memphis, Tennessee, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, Fayetteville, Arkansas, and Springdale, Arkansas. And the slight risk area includes Little Rock, Arkansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, North Little Rock, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and Conway, Arkansas. Okay, now let's take a look at the tornado outlook. 2% in the green, and areas affected or Texarkana, Texas, Tarracona, Arkansas, Paris, Texas, El Dorado, Arizona, and Ada, Oklahoma. All right, winds 5% in the Brown. This is the same area. Well, Memphis, Tennessee, Tuscaloosa, Oklahoma, Little Rock, Arkansas, Broken Arrow, Oklahoma, and Fort Smith, Arkansas is in the 5% for damaging winds. And the hail probability is 5% in the brown, 15% in the yellow and hatched area. Okay, the significant severe weather would be Little Rock, Arkansas, Fort Smith, Arkansas, North Little Rock, Arkansas, Pine Bluff, Arkansas, and Hot Springs, Arkansas. And the other areas, pretty much the same areas, is included in the 15 and 5%. Alrighty, now let's take a look at your Sunday Storm Prediction Center outlook. And we have general thunderstorms over California, portion of Nevada, Utah, and Colorado, and northern Mexico. And over here in the southeast, we have general thunderstorms extending through the Carolinas, South Carolina, all the way back into portion of Louisiana. Slight risk in the darker green. This includes southern South Carolina, all the way in around the Atlanta metro area, all the way over toward the Alabama, Louisiana, Mississippi area, northern Florida. And the slight risk area, this includes Montgomery, Alabama, Mobile, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia, Jackson, Mississippi, and Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Marginal risk, this includes New Orleans, Louisiana, Atlanta, Georgia, Birmingham, Alabama, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and Huntsville, Alabama. And let's take a look at the probability across the area. This includes 5% in the brown and 15% in the yellow, and this includes the same areas that I called out just a few minutes ago. Alrighty, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope everybody stays safe and well. Smash that subscribe button, as I am fixing to crank up my channel, and we're going to be all year long. So I hope everybody has a great evening, and we will catch you back in the next one.